Here we have a SAT math problem. We are given a triangle. In this triangle, x degree is one of the angle measures, and we have to find the value of x. Okay, in this triangle, I consider the part of the triangle that is also triangle. So that is triangle. I consider the triangle ABD. Okay, in this triangle, we have three interior angle measures. One is 45 degree, and the other one is x degree. But this angle measure, I do not know. I assume this is the angle measure y. Okay, now in triangle ABD, we can consider the triangle angle sum property. That is, in any triangle, if you add the three interior angles, always they will add up to 180 degree. So that is x degree, positive y degree, positive 45 degree. So is equal to 180 degree. Okay, here, if I know the value of y, I can plug in that value for y and I'll be able to solve for x. So my aim is to solve for x. That's the target of the question. Okay, now let's see how to find the value of y. Okay, here, let's consider this particular part, that is y, and here this angle measure is 80 degree. So the y and 80 degree are linear pair. So because we have both the angles y and 80 degree on the same straight line PC. So whenever we have linear pair of two angles, always they add up to 180. So because we know that angle on the straight line will be 180. So when I combine this y and 80 degree, that must be equal to 180 degree. So y positive 80 degree equals to 180 degree. So now I can solve for y. So I subtract 80 from both sides. When I do it, so I'll be getting y is equal to 100 degree. So 80, if I subtract 80 from 180, it will be 100 degree. So now I got the value of y. So I can plug in the value for y into this equation. I can solve for x. So let's write x, and the value of y is 100. We can plug in positive 45 equals to 180. Okay, now we can combine these two values. So it will become 145 equals to 180. Now I can subtract 145 from both sides to solve for x. So this positive 145, negative 145 will cancel out. I get x is equal to 35. When I subtract 145 from 180, it will be 35. So the value of x here is 35.